What is going on, you fellow deep-in enthusiasts out there? Good morning, good evening, good night, wherever you guys are. Good morning, well, for me. So today we are actually going to go over our monthly profits for our Helium-based mobile rewards and IoT from all of our Helium devices. So that is what we will be doing today here on the show. Now that we do have a Helium IoT hotspot from Osprey, which is a G1 hotspot that is actually producing IoT. We have a Helium mobile data plan, which we have a phone for that right here, which we do mapping rewards with, and that we get mobile from, as well as we have a indoor mobile Helium mobile hotspot, which we earn more mobile from. So we are going to dive in today of how much we earned in mobile tokens and IoT. Today we are actually also going to be diving a little bit further into this, and we are going to be getting a DIMO unit or an AutoPi from our good old buddy Suburban Crypto. So shout out to you, my guy. Thank you very much for sending out an AutoPi, and we're going to be trying that out on our main vehicle because we're newer than 2008. So only one of my 3 vehicles qualify for that right now. So it is what it is. But we are actually looking at getting another new for us vehicle here shortly. So I do appreciate all donations, tips, likes, subscribes. They are all greatly, outstandingly helpful to this channel. So super shout out to everybody out there that has helped out, and you all are awesome. Thank you. So let's dig into today's video, shall we? All right, so here on we got CoinGecko. This is our 2024 picks, which Helium and Helium Mobile are on our top picks for this year. They're both doing pretty well currently, as well as down here in the corner, as you can see right here, is a new QR code. I greatly appreciate anybody that actually scans that and heads over to our coin request link. That does let you donate any crypto that is there on that screen. You don't even have to submit anything there. You can just head over to the page and just makes it super simple. You can just copy the address and it does go straight to me. So that is pretty freaking cool. It does not require Coinbase or anything like that. So that is also really freaking cool and outstanding. So shout out to that service right there. The link for that is also down in the description if you don't want to scan a QR code. So it's just a coinrequest.io and it's /CryptoMykel. So both of which Helium and Helium Mobile are doing pretty well for this time being. Right now we are going to start with let's go ahead and go with our IoT device. So the IoT device that we have is a Osprey device, which you can pick up from their store, which there is referral link down below with no coupon code, but you can use the link down below to head over there and get one if you so desire. I have been having issues with mine, and it's not because of the device. I'm thinking it's staying running, but where I am located, there are less IoT devices around me now. There was a few, but I think they have since shut their devices off. So I am just getting less and less beacons. Therefore, my rewards are dropping, and it has a lot to play into our earnings now. Because, well, as you can see, our earnings haven't been that great, to be honest, with just our IoT device. But they have never, always been that great. Which we can actually pull this up right here. You should see it on the screen right about now. So we're gonna head into our Helium mobile app, of course, enter our PIN, but we'll just head into this. So as you can see, we have 0 IoT. We currently have 86,000 mobile tokens in the wallet with 5 Helium as well. We have 1,000 mobile tokens locked still for delegation and voting in HIPs. I am going to lock up some IoT this go around so that way I can vote in some of the IoT HIPs, because there has been some in play that I have not voted on. But we are going to click on our hotspots, check these out, and give a good refresh. So our IoT hotspot, we have actually only earned 901 IoT this current month, which is significantly less than last month, that is for sure. And then our Helium mobile indoor hotspot earned us 3.15k mobile tokens. So we are just going to go ahead and claim all, because that's kind of the best way to do this. It's better, it makes it easier. So we can add all to our account. Boom, claiming your rewards. You can exit the screen, so we can head back here, give it a little refresh, and we can wait a second, and then our rewards will be added into our balance. Boom, boom. So there we go, IoT is in, and then our Helium mobile tokens they've not deposited just yet, but our IoT did. There we go, our 901 IoT. And we are just going I'm going to go ahead and lock some of these up because I don't have any locked up. So IoT, I don't have any voting power. I'll go ahead and lock decaying. We'll do for a year, and we'll just do 100 IoT. And boom. Network fee. Boom, boom, boom. That way that is done. And just so that way I can actually vote in some of these extra HIPs that have been going on. So we'll wait for all that to go over. We are going to head over into our indoor mobile Helium hotspot. As you can see, we actually had a huge data transfer over here on the 4/14/24, and we actually got a decent amount of mobile tokens that day. We got 926 mobile tokens that specific day, which is quite a bit adding into that. So if we hadn't have done that, we actually probably would have been around 2,000-ish, 2,200 maybe mobile tokens. So thank goodness for that, right? Because that actually did save us quite a bit there for on rewards. So that is pretty freaking helpful. Now we can actually head on over into our Helium mobile device, which thank you anyone who has used our Helium mobile referral. It does help out. It saves you $5 off that month, saves me $5 off on the month, and it does help out. So shout out to me, because apparently my name is Whimsical Tango Termic. So interesting name. And this is my code. Thank you anyone that's used it. We're gonna head over into our Helium mobile app, head over into our mapping rewards. As you can see right here, today we have not finished mapping, but we will finish our mapping by the end of the day. Now this month I honestly did miss quite a few days, some of which I got some earnings, but then some of which they just didn't count, which was a bit of a bummer. But we did miss quite a few days this month. If you look at this, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So far I missed 7 days this last month in mapping rewards at a current of like averaging of 440. Times that by 7, that's almost that is a whole 3,000 mobile tokens that I missed out on because I did not get my my 40 hexes in. Now that's not any fault to Helium mapping or anything. That is just physically I did not leave or left my phone at home, and went and did stuff without it. So can't earn if I don't have it with me. But we can go over here to our wallet. Come down here. We did earn a total of 8,570. So 8,570. If we had claimed on all of the days, we would have totaled out at 11,650. So shame on me, right? We'll go ahead and claim our rewards, which is 8,570, and we will add that into our current total of, what was it, 89,000. Puts us at 97,000, probably around closer to 98,000 mobile tokens currently, which is now freaking standing, right? But really, that is the point of today's video, guys. Pretty short, simple, sweet, to the point. Now, remember, deep in rocks, you rock, stay savage, guys. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe button, and that bell notification. See you time when we go live here on the channel. Also, there are links for everything that we've talked about today down below. We will catch you on the next one. Much love, peace out, and we'll see y'all next time, guys. Later.